Ay, nabasa ata yung ating parcel, guys. May deliver tayo ng Amazon. Toy naman to ng ating baby. Hindi nilagay sa plastic. Naulan pa naman. Box pa naman to. Ay, nabasa. It's not wet, mister. Magko-complain daw si mister. Kasi na wet. It's okay. It's fine. Don't need to. So, ito yung ating gift na i-gift para sa ating baby sa Christmas. Lagay natin sa under the Christmas tree. Ay, basa nga siya pala. Basa konti. So, ayan, ang cute. It's okay lang naman kasi si Mr. nag-part-time sa Amazon and meron siyang plastic na pag ganito, sumama ko sa kanya. Pag alam niyang umaambon or uulan, pinaplastic niya. So, ito, hindi niya pinlastic nung nag-deliver. But anyway, it looks okay, mister. It looks fine. It's a bit wet, but check natin, guys, kung okay lang yung ating parcel. Oh! Ito yung ating gift sa ating baby. Jaran! Farm toys. Kasi ayoko nang ibili ng kung ano-anong toys. Ano pa nga ito, hindi pa realistic. Gusto ko sana realistic eh. They are okay, mister. They're fine. Open natin yung number 6. Let's see the quality. Ay, hindi ganun kaganda yung quality. Ouch. It's not too nice. It's not that nice. Pig. Wink, wink. It's masyadong maganda. It's not that bad. Look at that. It's not nice. It looks used. Oh. Parang damage. It's look old. It's look bad. I don't expect like that.
It's dirty.
It's not dirty. It's scratched. It's damaged. It's like putting like that on the floor. It is.
It's from this.
No.
Just give me.
Only that. Pangit. I'm not happy with this item. Pangit guys. So,
£20.
15. And it's expensive. I better go in Tesco. It's not nice. So poor. Pangit. But anyway, ibabalik to ni Mr. Ayoko nito. Sayang ang pera. You have 31 days, it says to return. Pangit talaga. Eligible until 31 of January. Return items. You hungry? Don't want tamis.
No?
I'm not hungry. Burn it. Ow! Sakit. Ay, almost burn nga. Ang dami nating nakalabas na gamot kasi may mga sipon. Lagyan natin ng konting veggie ito. Konting olive oil and salt lang. Pero magkaka-oil pa to. Konti lang. Hindi natin lalagyan ng salt para hindi umalat.
What's the soup? Curry soup?
Yeah, it's like curry soup, something like squash with a curry. It's nice. Not too bad. Because it's not that sharp. Too many pans in there. Didn't know.
That is so much better, isn't it?
Yeah.
The black ones.
Yeah. Itong ating potatoes tsaka broccoli still burning pati. Still boiling. I have to open it kasi lagyan pala natin ng timer para hindi ma-burn at least more 20 minutes. Para maluto pa. But anyway, ibabalik ko tong ating natirang broccoli kasi masyado nang madami. At saka itong 2 potatoes. The one that's nice that Patricia recommended you. Yeah, bisto. Ay, ang lamig.
What's your spoon?
What spoons?
I didn't even spaghetti.
So, I'm gonna use this for my mashed potatoes. Ayusin ko na pala yung mga dadalhin ng mga bata tomorrow for their donations. Kasi magdo-donate ang schools nila. So, tayo iba. Pusan ko yung dede ng ating baby din. If you're gonna do it. I'm gonna use this sieve. Isin nga natin itong kalat. Butter now. I did not cook. I'm not sure if I made enough. Ate na ilok ko. I didn't know if I made
You
enough.
should have got some milk.
You didn't listen to me.
No, we've gone through a lot more today between yesterday and today than I thought we would.
Can I have some milk also?
It's in there warming up.
Okay. Bit of salt. And then, dito yata tayo magmamash. With broccoli. Oh, I don't think I made enough mashed potato. Ay, that's too much. You're gonna put that all? So, ganyan ang ating mashed potato, guys. With touch of, broccoli. Ang ating baby. It's tiring. Teamwork in the kitchen. It's so warm in here. We have to open the door. This enough, mister? Nice. Do the beef. Yeah. Wait. I'm okay with this. This is yours. I'm gonna put you the bigger, thicker.
What do you want on the table?
Yeah, knife and fork or spoon.
3 spoons,
Yeah, it's
4
fine.
forks,
Yeah.
knife, no need.
Knife can be one for you if you want some. So I can just borrow yours. Meron din ang ating baby, guys. Oh. Cute. Luto din. Luto na din siya. Lagyan ko pala siya ng konting mashed potatoes. Let's eat, guys. Ito ang ating sa baby, oh. Ito kay Mr. Dalawa. And then, dapat naglagay pa lang carrots. Dami nating carrots. Di ko nalagyan. Kulang. Ha? Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Come na. Where are you gonna eat? No, Dad. No. Matusok. You sleepy? You must be sleepy. Let's eat, guys. Kakain ng ating baby. Hi. You like your food? Say hi. Hi, guys. Eh, so nagay din naman talaga eh. Oh, how you gonna eat? With fork, spoon? Which one? Eat your food. Is it nice? Where's your papa taking so long?
Gagawin ko ng pizza to. Tagal ni Tita.
Nice. You haven't tried without the gravy.
Ngayon pizza. Wow.
So there's no special, just salt
No.
in there. Is it nice? Is it nice with the gravy?
I made a
Oh, you eat your patty. You eat it? Is it nice? Where you drop it?
I want 1 penny more bread in Ash.
What?
Ba, ano po kinain niyo sa restaurant kanina?
Yung sa'yo, nag-share tayo.
Oh.
Ang laki mo sa'yo eh. Ang daming serving.
Oo.
Nabasa ko na eh, ang dami.
Wala pala, pen. No.
Wala namang squid.
Parang may natikman ako isa. Naka-coat kaya hindi mo malalaman kung alin doon. It's nice. Used to make some of this sometimes.
Nakakanga ba naman, mami? Ka ba? Bigla ako sinuwag mo.
Bababay na tayo. Bye guys! Nauga! Ang lakas mo man naman mag-ganon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye guys. Nababay ang ating baby.